If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with both reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2018 Chevy Equinox LT in Summit White. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 39,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, electronic stability control, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5867.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.